In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on OctaFX. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your OctaFX app. You're going to be able to see deposit. So click on the deposit. You're going to be able to see different payments method. So you can use instant transfers. You can use TRC20, ERC20, Dogecoin, Litecoin, or maybe e-payments, Skrill or Netel or Neteller. So for me, I think the best is currently the TRC20 because I think it's like better for you to be able to do this. So just click on it. Then you're going to be able to see this. Ensure that it's selected group. So just make sure you read through this. So once you see I understand, click on it. So once you have clicked on it, you're going to be able to copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address and deposit into it. So you can see the minimum deposit amount is $50. So I think this is the best option for me. But you can also use the e-payments, the Skrill. You can also use some other payment method there as well. So the main thing here is make sure you select your own preferred payment method that is going to be best for you. So if you look here, if you're using Naira as well, you can come on here. Let me say, if I want to deposit, let me say 100. You're going to just click on the next step. So once you click on the next step, you're going to be able to be like you'll be provided with the option, with the bank option where you can be able to send this deposit and your account here on OctaFX. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.